Hey everyone, we're going to be looking at the Acer Nitro V16 today, which is a new model in the Nitro series that falls precisely between the Nitro V15 and Nitro 16. It is an excellent choice for both professionals and gamers because it perfectly balances portability and performance. With its sleek and discreet appearance, the Acer Nitro V16 is suitable for both professional and gaming environments. The laptop's body is made of matte finished black plastic, which gives it a stylish appearance and ensures that it won't smear or track fingerprints. The Nitro logo on the lid is a subtle touch that elevates the brand without detracting from the overall appearance. Compared to other gaming laptops, this one is comparatively thin and light, weighing 2.5 kilograms and measuring 25.4 millimeters in thickness, making it incredibly portable. This laptop fits neatly into a typical backpack, which is a huge bonus for people who are constantly on the go, whether you're taking it to a LAN party or traveling for work. The Acer Nitro V16 16-inch IPS display produces breathtaking images. With a resolution of 2600 by 1600 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, it's ideal for video viewing, gaming, and creative work. Even in well-lit areas, the display's 500 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB coverage guarantee vibrant colors and distinct details. The immersive experience is further enhanced by the thin bezel surrounding the screen, whether you're gaming or binge-watching your favorite series. The AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, which has 8 cores and 16 threads, powers the Nitro V16. The AMD Ryzen AI Neural Module, which improves performance in AI-related tasks and further optimizes system functionality, is another characteristic of this processor. With 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 offers outstanding graphics performance for gaming. You can activate cutting-edge features like DLSS 3.0 and ray tracing for improved visual quality and faster frame rates. Because of this, the laptop is perfect for resource-intensive applications like 3D rendering and demanding current games. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM, making multitasking effortless. Two 1TB SSDs are included with the Nitro V16 for storage, guaranteeing speed and enough room for media, games, and work-related projects. Even during long gaming sessions, the Acer Nitro V16's cooling system effectively dissipates heat thanks to its 2 fans and 4 vents. An additional layer of cooling is provided by the keyboard ventilation to guarantee steady performance even under high loads. This keeps the laptop cool, comfortable to handle, and performs at its best for extended periods of time, whether playing games or working. This laptop's stereo speakers are powerful enough to provide crystal clear, excellent sound for movies, music, and gaming, without the need for additional speakers. Another noteworthy feature is the amber backlit keyboard, which provides a snappy typing experience. It has a specialized multimedia keypad, a numeric keypad, and a Nitro Sense button for easy access to performance options. You can operate comfortably and functionally with the keyboard whether you're gaming late at night or working late. The 57 Wh battery has a maximum mixed use duration of 7 hours. For those who need to power up on the road, charging via USB Type-C or the accompanying charger is a simple option. Professionals, students, and casual gamers searching for a laptop that blends portability and powerful performance may consider the Acer Nitro V16. It is a great option for anyone who wants to get the best return on their investment because of its price-to-performance ratio. This laptop is excellent for working on graphics, playing games, and presenting information. Power and portability are expertly balanced in the Acer Nitro V16. It offers top-notch hardware in a small package and is adaptable enough for work, creative projects, and gaming. The Nitro V16 is a fantastic option if you're searching for a powerful workstation or a gaming laptop. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell to receive updates if you like this review. Make sure to share your opinions in the comment section below regarding this gaming laptop. Have a nice day and God bless you.